Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a social media post on Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open Google Chrome browser, then select your profile. Then this time you have to maximize the Chrome website and open your Canva website. You can just type canva.com or you can search on Google. After opening the Canva website, you can see this feature and you have to log in with an account. So for making an account, you can use your Gmail account. As you can see, I've already logged in on the website. After logging, go to the create a design option. Then here you have to type social media. Go to social media option here, and the best thing about Canva is it gives you hundred suggestions, including whatever you want to make and modify. So for example, I want to make a social media post for digital marketing. Now you can see the superb and unique suggestions I got from Canva. It's really dope. For example, I want to create uh, this one. I want to edit it. You can remove the text by click on it and go to this bin option, and this text will be deleted. You can also change the uh, text format or text. For example, I want to change into all digits here, so I will write all digits here. You can change the font of the text by clicking on here, and as you can see, and you can change the text color as well by clicking on A option and just change the color. See, my color is changed. Now guys, to download your social media post, just go to option share and click on download, and your post will be downloaded. So guys, this was an easy tutorial on how to create a social media post using Canva. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.